Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to set print area in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So let's suppose that if you want to print a specific portion of your sheet here. So here you can see that I have these numbers here, but if let's suppose that if I wanted to print just just these two columns here, so I have to set a print area for this. Okay, so how I can basically do this, I will just select my cells here and then I will go to this page layout tab, and here you can see we have this print area. I will tap on it and I will click on this where it says set print area. And now if we just go to this print preview option, you will see that only these two columns will be shown here. Okay, this number and this number will not be printed because we have set our print area just for these two columns here. So now you can see that our just these two columns will be printed here. And if we just basically select this one right here and then again set the print area, then you will see that we will also see these two numbers there as well. Here you can see. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.